brothers and sisters, let me present you another new watch in my collection. This is another Undone watch, and to tell you, I really like Undone company because this is not that kind of very serious luxury and so on brand. This is a cool, honest brand. The watches they are creating are really cool, got the style, not expensive, really affordable. Most of you, everyone can have, if the watch is not limited, of course. And if you are quick enough, you can get, of course, from the limited pieces. And they are very creative. They are giving super cool watch cases. They are giving very nice dials, and I simply like it. And that's cool. And they have sent me these new Undone pieces. This is the new Undone Stellar. I hope I pronounce it well. And let's open it. We have got here a nice. It had got some kind of special covering. It feels a little bit like, I don't know, nubuck leather, but this paper, if we remove, we have got here a nice black paper inner box. This works with magnetic. You can close it here. And of course, individuality is matters, is the as poetic of the brand, and I agree, because in fact not really important if you got ultra expensive luxury piece or anything else. The main goal is, if you buy watch or buying watches or collect watches and want and love watches and wearing watches, you to find your watch what is matching your style, your taste, and what feels like your own, what feels like your own skin on your wrist when you're wearing it. And of course, there are different pieces, and you can have this relation with lots of watches and different watches. This is the way how I feel about watches. But you see my point. The main goal is not the money, not the I don't know, the hype and presenting the watch on Instagram and Facebook and whatever. Of course, I present it on Instagram and Facebook, but because I'm happy because of these watches, and I want to share my pleasure and my addiction with others, with those who feel the same and are on the same train when I'm traveling. So open this nice piece. Here is the card holder. This is very clever inside. This feels like leather too. So here's the warranty card for Undone piece. We have got, this is very clever too. You can download the user manual with this QR code, so no other papers needed. And the watch was made in 2022, January 7. 1 year warranty, that's okay. And inside, very simple packing, but we find this cool piece with this very cool Tiffany dial, or turquoise, or how to say in English, dial. What is, yes, absolute well-known and famous since last year, December, the Tiffany Patek Philippe madness, if you ask me. But with this black packing, I mean the case and the nice black strap, it's working, absolutely working. So let's look at the watch from closer. This is the watch. I remove it. I must tell, I opened the watch yesterday and I was wearing it during yesterday because this watch is really cool. So this case, what is not too thick, this is 12mm high, and the diameter of the case is 41.8, so nearly 42. But because of the very elegant pushers, because it's chronograph of course, and the screwed in chronograph pushers are screwed, and the crown screwed too, so it doesn't feel too big. And also the case form is some kind of retro winter style, because in the 1960s this case was popular, I guess. But also nowadays, I guess this looks cool, and also looks a little bit futuristic, so I love this. And I love the tachymeter, I love the dials. On the dial you see that Kanjar, I hope I pronounce it well, because this watch is some kind of homage before the Oman kingdom. I hope I say it's correct in English. And this is connected to this Middle East Royal Highness, and that Kanja symbol, what is on the case back too, is the I definitely don't know the word in English, so it's a dagger of Oman, and this is a national symbol of the Kingdom of Oman, and that's really nice, really cool. And also on the dial, and working for me, absolutely cool. You see this is a mecha quartz movement, this TMIVK63 mechanical quartz hybrid fieback movement chronograph. This is the whole name of it. And it's a quartz movement powered by battery, and the watch is 100 meter water resistant, so you have got here a screw out crown. It is very nice from Undone, and also the pushers are screwed in like Rolex Daytona, and you can start it like this. And you see the sensor second hand is the second hand of the chronograph. There is a 60-second chronograph counter on that subdial. Here is a 24-hour disc, so you can use it day and night indicator, that disc subdial. And here at 6 o'clock we have got a running second, little second hand, and that's all. And fieback works like this: if you push this button it will restart and reset, and you can restart from this, or you can stop it and then reset. So this is how this hybrid flyback mechanical movement works. Nice. And not lots of watches showing the movement, the quartz movement from the case back, but Undone is brave enough to do this, and I like it, if you ask me. So this is it. The watch is limited. If I haven't mentioned before, you can have, or they are producing 300 from this Tiffany blue and 300 from the candy pink too. So the price is 484 euros. And this is not out of stock yet, as I see on the web page of Undone watches. So if you like this emblem Kanjar blue or the candy pink version with this cool black looking DLC coated stainless steel case, by the way, and you see this some kind of paracord with texture, with leather inner sides. So if you like it, and one more thing, this is plastic, but it looks cool and matching the watch, and feels very lightweight, and I love that too. The watch is only 86 grams. That is very cool, if you ask me. So very comfortable, and you got that cool chronograph movement. So if you like this, I suggest that for you, and I will show you how it looks on my wrist. It looks not small, it looks big, but it wears very comfortable because of the case form and the of course the lightweight and the small pushers and crown. So this is perfect, if you ask me. I like it very much. Very little lume on the dial, really not strong, just a little touch, and maybe in this light condition you see the true color of the Tiffany dial. And if we make it totally dark, now you see there is a little lume on the dial, and also the hands are loomed. Not too strong, but this is not a diver piece, of course. Even this is 100 meter water resistant, so this is okay, if you ask me. So, thank you for watching and see you later.